We love you so much, Brian.
Love you too.
No. Someone get a doctor?
Help? Can we get some help in here?
I'm sorry. Congratulations! He is this hospital's 1 millionth death! How do you feel?
What is wrong with you people? I am devastated. He was my father.
This is a difficult time for our family. Why would we want to celebrate this?
His final act in life was a monumental achievement.
Congratulations! You are our 1 millionth customer this year. We're trying to mourn. Can't this wait?
175,000? We can't afford that.
Well, I mean, we gave you a discount on the aspirin, so...
$40 a pill is a discount?
Oh, sorry, that should be 60. It's half off.
Congratulations! You're the 1 millionth parking violation.
You towed our car? Our kids were in there.
What? You left the kids in the car?
What was I supposed to do? Let them see Grandpa die?
Death is a natural part of life. Being abandoned and abducted is not.
Okay, sir, we didn't abandon our children. They were towed away in a car.
Congratulations! You guys are the 1 millionth negligent parents. Where are our children? Oh, they're going in foster care.
Please, no!
I just want my kids back.
I just want...
Come back.
Congratulations!
You've just won $10 million from your father's life insurance policy.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below about a 1 millionth milestone you've achieved. Like you were the 1 millionth view of this video. Oh, they just clicked like.
Air horn.